Thank you for joining us for our discourse today. I am Mother Mary. I bring you the gift of the purest rose of heartfelt love. This we bring through from the higher realms to each and every one of you, to everyone on the planet. For in truth, you are all brothers and sisters. Even though many have been perceived as your enemies, perpetrators, and have caused harm against you, many of you have endured experiences as victims, have you not? Some with deep wounds, some that are still healing, some that have not reached the point yet of wanting this healing to take place. Sometimes it can be so inground, the pain, the wound, the depth of the feelings and emotions, that it can be hard to rise above and see your part in this. For indeed, your part in this might not be from this incarnation. Your part in this might be as an atonement for a previous experience where you are balancing the slate, so to speak. And for others, this might be an agreement that you came in to this particular incarnation to resolve for yourself in your own deep healing, and to also pave the way for others to be able to heal their wounds. It is a human trait, is it not, that once one person has done something, the floodgates open and other people can do the same. Whether this is in sports or athletics, as soon as one person breaks the 4-minute mile, many others follow. Once one person heals the pain of wounding, of rape or loss of their land, or death of a child, or death of a loved one, or whatever the case may be, once it has been seen that somebody can heal these wounds, that somebody can arise above the depths of the pain and restore themselves to wholeness, to unity consciousness, to unconditional love, to their full spiritual power and communion, then others can do the same. Will you be this one? Will you be the one in your community to resolve your pain, to let go the anguish of the past, to rise above the old wounds, and to see with fresh eyes the light ahead? For indeed, many people want a new world, a world of peace, a world of respect, a world of brothers and sisters standing side by side, back to back, in circles, however this presents itself in your vision. And yet to have this, we have to rise above the past. We have to let the past go. We have to see the masculine and the feminine in their truth. Not see the masculine as he has behaved and been portrayed as the aggressor, as the violent one, as the perpetrator, as the taker, and the feminine as the weaker one, the oppressed, the server. These are aspects of the masculine and the feminine, and we need to accept these aspects, love them free, and bring in their counterpart, the masculine who is the protector, the stabilizer, the feminine who is the intuit, the empath, and bring them together equally with respect for themselves and each other. For until we do this, well, indeed, until you do this, you cannot go through the doorway to those higher energies, to the new world that you would so love to live in. You hold the key You hold the key within you. Your healing needs to come from the inside out. Do not be looking to the outside world to fix this, to fix you, to heal itself. Heal yourselves from within, beloveds. Love yourself, your feminine and your masculine counterparts. Heal those ancient wounds. It has been long enough, don't you think? We bring you not just one rose. We bring you a bunch of many coloured roses. For indeed, these are symbols of the diversity of people, of gifts, of talents, of beliefs, of experiences. And all of you belong within the bouquet. All of you have your own aroma, which contribute to the beautiful perfume for the potential of the humanity and the new world that you seek. This starts within you. Begin now or continue your journey, but heal your rifts, beloveds, and move on. Place your attention on how you prefer it to be, rather than rehashing and continuing to feed and fertilize the old patterns, paradigms, and experiences of the past. The lotus cannot grow out of the mud if you keep putting more mud on it.